What's up YouTube, it's your girl Nina with the Johnson Dynasty. Welcome back to our channel. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you can check out all of our future videos to come.
What's good YouTube? Today we're going to be doing the Kid Fruit Snack Challenge with Maverick. I have no faith in he's going to pass this challenge.
Epic fail.
Epic fail. I know he's going to eat. As soon as we put the bowl down in front of him, whatever we put down in front of him, he eats everything. So we just doing this to entertain y'all because I know this guy right here is going to fail.
It's going to be a fail. He's only 15 months.
And he eats everything. So let's see how this goes. We got the snacks prepared, the fruit snacks. There we go. Let's see how this turns out. He's not finna wait at all. As soon as we put him down, he's gonna tackle.
Okay, Maverick, sit down. Sit down. Wait for mommy and daddy, okay? Wait for mommy and daddy. Don't eat any yet. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait.
Epic fail. This dude didn't wait 1 second. He threw a temper tantrum, jumped off the couch and ate him instantly.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna try these chocolate chips because he ate all the fruit snacks, so we're gonna try something different and see how he does with those. So I'm gonna sit him down. Okay, Mavs, come sit down, but wait for mommy and daddy, okay? Don't eat them yet, okay? You have to wait, okay? You gotta wait, okay? Don't wait, you gotta wait. You gotta wait. Wait, Maverick.
Alright, Mal. Gotta wait on daddy to get back. Then you can have this snack. Alright? Alright. You say you're not messing with this relish. You say, nah, bro, I know better. You say, I know you tried to get me with the relish. You say, I can smell that.
Let me see.
You're not eating it, baby.
So you just
He's eating it, which is so weird.
eat anything.
Kind of.
Nah, that's nasty. He likes it more than the fruit snacks. He's gonna have a tummy ache.
Little dude is really eating it, yo.
Eating it like the fruit snacks.
His poop's gonna
He started off slow. Now he go hard.
He's going hard with the
He's
relish.
like, oh, this is good. He's like, oh,
This is what I've been missing out on.
he's like, oh,
His
hey.
poop's gonna smell bad tonight.
He's like, I ain't know.
His poop's not gonna be good too.
Y'all, this was an epic fail. This was an epic fail. Well,
Everything.
it seems like he listened a little bit more to Daddy than he did to Mommy.
He's putting it on the table.
Right, stop, dude.
Your phone.
You want to share with the cat? Mila, you want to do the challenge?
All over.
So
Look at the remote.
that was an epic fail. He ate everything. He was a little skeptical about the relish, but he still ate it.
And then he made a
He
mess.
dogged the fruit snacks.
Yeah.
The chocolate chips, he kind of ate some of them, but the relish and the fruit snacks, those his top choices. I think he might like the relish more than anything.
I think so too.
This dude is
Right, he's dipping the chocolate in the relish.
right. This guy's different.
He's gonna have a major tummy ache. We gotta take it.
This guy's an animal. Look at this guy's an animal. He got relish.
Look, he wants to share. He says you've been missing out, y'all.
We got relish and chocolate chips. We gotta watch this guy, man. He gonna do bugs, mud pies.
Yes, typical little boy.
We gotta watch this guy. man.
Bebe's kids. Okay.
She's right there.
Are you sure? Come here.
It ain't.
Babe, I think I'm gonna bake you a cake, a chocolate cake with caramel.
Are you just saying this for the camera? Or
No,
you saying this?
no, I really am. I'm really gonna bake you.
I'm gonna
Then at
bake
7
it.
o'clock, you just gonna bake me 6 cookies.
Oh, you like cookies.
I do, but you said you gonna bake me a cake.
I am, I promise. I'm gonna bake you a cake. I'm about to go make the caramel right now from
Almost your
scratch.
height. I'm almost your
Yeah.
height.
I'm gonna bake the caramel from scratch.
Okay, I'm the real baker. in the
I'm the
family.
real baker.
I made homemade strawberry filling, and I whipped my own whipped cream for 30 minutes because
She
we
did.
forgot to buy a mixer.
She did, y'all.
Wait,
It was
wait,
Daddy's
wait,
birthday
wait,
the other day, and Maisha made a. She made a.
Hold the cheese
Hold on,
balls.
she made a marble cake with the strawberry filling that she made from scratch with the whipped cream icing. It was so good. We have it on a vlog. We'll probably post it, but it was super good. So yeah, it was Daddy's birthday. So it
Hold
was
the
so good.
cheese balls.
What?
She didn't let me help with the cake.
Yeah,
and
she
I
didn't.
begged her.
Which is why it was.
Oh.
Excuse me, it was.
Thank y'all for watching this video,
Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and hit the notification bell.
and we'll see you next time.